Hello, my name is Jadip and this is my demonstration for SAT210 embedded task. My project is Smart Door Locker System that combines the fingerprint sensor and a Tinker GUI which is running on Raspberry Pi for secure access control. So my purpose of the system is to provide secure contact-based to drawer or locker. It allows unlocking either by unauthorized fingerprint or through a remote GUI interface on the Raspberry Pi. This type of solution can be used as a lab equipment storage or personal valuables. So this is basically the code for my Arduino, which includes the including of a fingerprint sensor, my lock pin, and my RxTX for the transfer of data from the Arduino. So I'll show you my hardware components. This is my hardware setup in which I have connected the GND of the Arduino and the MOSFET pin together, and the hardware includes an Arduino Uno, which I already mentioned, and R305 type of fingerprint sensor, through which 2 and 3 are software serial pins as shown in the video. A MOSFET transistor is this is a MOSFET transistor, and which is connected to a 12-volt supply of solenoid. It communicates through Raspberry Pi. The communication of Raspberry Pi is done through USB serial to the Arduino Uno. Now I'm gonna show you the serial operation. So log it. Once I unlock this, so it gets unlocked with authorized fingerprint. So if I just try to unlock it with other finger, so it will not unlock as it is an unauthorized finger. So doing it again, it gets unlocked. To show it over my GUI, so this is my GUI. Once pressing unlocked, and it gets unlocked, and it's locked again. So all the recent activity, like for example unlocking or locking it by my GUI or fingerprint, is shown here, which can be used as a history control too. The operation control will be when the powered on Arduino reports the number of stored fingerprint sensors as it's shown. Fingerprint unlock, placing a fingerprint on the sensor, and it gets, if it is an authorized fingerprint, the locker will get unlocked. If an unregistered finger is placed, the Arduino prints the finger is not recognized, and the lock stays closed. The system also handles errors. If the pipe connects, the Arduino simply continues in the fingerprint mode. Both control paths have been tested to ensure the reliable operation. In my conclusion, I'll say that this smart door project successfully integrates a fingerprint sensor, Arduino Uno, and a Raspberry Pi GUI. Through this task, I learned about non-blocking code design, serial communication, and hardware-software integration. If given more time, I'd add Wi-Fi features, remote access, and user management.